Ew, are green living rooms really a thing? Yes, you bet they are, and they are a beautiful thing. So, if you want to see how to do your green living room done right, then keep on watching. Welcome back to And Then There Was Style. If this is your first time here, subscribe to the channel to become part of our home decor family. If you have been here before, welcome, welcome, welcome back. So, as you already know, in today's video, we are talking all about how to style a beautiful green living room. I know the color green doesn't instantaneously come to mind when you think living rooms, but this video is going to show you that it should. If you enjoy this type of content, subscribe to the channel, give this video a thumbs up, and don't forget to check the description box with all kind of extra goodies and things that you can purchase for your home if you are inspired by this video. See you in a few. Green is having a major moment in home decor, and it's not hard to see why. It's a very versatile tone. Green can inspire tranquility and calm, or make a moody, bold statement. From olive to sage to hunter, I love decorating with green, especially in the living room. So whether you're into a modern look or you opt for a more neutral shade of green, these beautiful green living rooms prove that it's truly a color for every home. Whether it's a green accent wall or a few seafoam green throw pillows, adding a pop of green has the power to completely transform any living room. If you want a more dramatic feel, be sure to indulge in colors like dark moss and emerald green. Side note, emerald green is so royal to me. We've talked about that in the comment section. Emerald green and some gold, and you just have one royal room. But back to the video. Now, if you're looking for a little peace and tranquility, paint your walls in a softer hue like mint. And for those looking to make a big, huge impact, there is always the tried and true lime green. So if you're not quite sure which color best suits you, just keep watching and you will see my hand-picked collection of the best green living rooms by designers and visualizers around the globe. Okay, so perfect example when I say green does not always have to be dark and moody. Look how bright this room and the next room that I'm showing you are. Even though green is the dominant color, there's still so much white in there and brightness in there. It's hard to say that it's a dark room. And don't think you just have to settle for one shade of green in your living room. For instance, if you opt to go for dark walls, just keep in mind it will pair beautifully with light green furniture or accessories. This creates a textured look that's tranquil and serene. This is called decorating with a monochrome palette. You pick a base color and look for shades of the same color that complement. This is one of the tricks to creating a designer room, even if you don't have designer experience. Do you see yourself decorating with the color green? If so, what shade? Comment down below and let me know. And while you're already down there, comment your favorite room from this video. I absolutely love this room, and check out all of the accessories as well as the pops of brown. I especially love that vintage piece in the background. It just really gives the room a lot of character. This is a great example of a dark, moody green room, and I absolutely love it. I know it's not for everyone, but comment down below and let me know if this look is for you. Alrighty guys, as always, I asked you to comment your favorite room down below. If you want to know mine, it was this beauty right here. Now, honestly, normally this is not my style, but this boho eclectic room just looked so comfortable and plush and just like relaxing with all the green. I'm really loving the color green right now. Alrighty guys, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, share it with someone who may have an interest, and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching. Be sure to comment your favorite room down below, and I will see you in the next video. Bye guys!